Wanted to show you guys a quick video on how to use an online editor so that you can complete this coloring assignment without having to actually color if you don't want to. So if you go into your Google Drive, you can open it with an app called Kami, which is an online PDF editor. And when it opens in Kami for you, it takes just a second to hop over there. You have all sorts of tools over here that you can use to complete the assignment. You can choose to use a highlighter, and you have your red, your green, and your blue. So if you determine that a statement is always true, then you can highlight it like that. Or if you'd rather, you can use a shape to fill in the entire square. So down here I've set my transparency to kind of like 75%. And I'm going to fill in the square that I draw. And so say I decide that something should be green, then I could fill in that square green. And I could still see the terms through it. So once you complete the assignment, then you can come over here and you can save it. And you can save it to your Google Drive here if you've opened it through Google, or you can just download it into your short-term storage on your Chromebook if you need to do that to resubmit it that way. So a couple different ways that you can use the tools in Kami to complete the assignment.